Hey, welcome. We're going to talk about the full evolution growth cycle of you as an online coach attracting customers, people coming to you, you capturing them, converting them, you serve them, and you get your members to refer you more members, so you then grow from inside out. I recommend both, growing inside out and growing outside in, right? Through you being attractive via creating content, people finding you, coming to you, but hey, have then your members refer to you more members, so you don't need to only rely on social media marketing, right? So this is what we're going to talk about. These 4 mini steps of how you attract, capture and convert, serve members and get them results so you can get them refer more members to you, right? And I'm gonna mostly talk about, because I run a membership program. I charge $97 per month to my members, my clients, right? I'm gonna talk about how we can attract members, right? Who pay you $97 a month and we serve them through the membership model of mine. I use the app Skool. I host my membership, my course, community, group coaching calls on the Skool app, and Skool handles the payments, right, for me, right? Charges members monthly subscriptions. I have a recurring income from this model, right? And I would suggest you to use this model as well. The second thing is when my members get results and I get them to refer more members to me, right? Skool allows an affiliate model as well, right? My members can be paid by me, a mini commission, because they referred more members into the program, right? So I incentivize my members to spread the word of mouth, right? So these are the things that we're going to talk about in this video. But number one, right now, we're going to focus on how to actually be attractive, how to attract people come to you. You cannot attract people come to you if you are not findable on social media, right? How do you get yourself findable is by you posting content, right? Content creation is the key to your success. You're gonna need to accept it to be the part of your lifestyle, part of your daily routine, right? You cannot be an online coach if you are also not a content creator. Just understand that, right? It gotta become part of your lifestyle. I teach a content client attraction formula, which is a way of creating social media content that gets people moved, right? You provide a lot of value. Value creation makes you attractive, right? Provide through your content a lot of solutions, a lot of value. Tell your story to people, right? Your knowledge, right? And put at the end of your content pieces call to actions, right? Tell people to message you, to comment down below, to like, to subscribe, to click the link, to do this thing, next thing, right? To apply, to register, right? Tell people what they can do next, right? So content creation will make you attractive, findable, and people will see you as an authority because you are providing them with a lot of value through your content, right? And they'll be like, wow, I like this guy. I like his talk or her talk. I like his writing. I understand what he is trying to communicate to me. I wonder, right, if this is the guy that I'm looking for to solve my problem, right? Understand this. People are looking for solutions. They really desire to solve their problems. They're looking for someone like you. And they will never be able to find you if you don't put yourself out there, right? And those right people who are looking for exactly you, right, will take action. That's the key, right? We'll talk about capturing these people who are looking for you and how to then convert them as the number 2 step here, right? But here is the key. Pick one channel. Pick 2 or 3 channels, kind of, right? I picked a YouTube channel. I built an email list, right? I have a free school instead of like a Facebook group or so. I have a little Facebook, LinkedIn as well, Instagram, right? Pick any of these few channels where you're going to be posting consistently, right? And then create content all the time. Post social media content consistently so you can be findable in people's eyes, right? And that's the key. Posting content, right? Now, you want to post your content in a way that it moves people. Now, where do you want to move them? You want to capture people, right? Here is the number 2, capture and convert. I strongly suggest you to build an email list. I built an email list of people in two ways. And then from an email list, it's easier for me to convert them into sales, into my membership program, right? Rather than directly from social media, which does work, but it's good to have people on an email list as well, so you can more regularly touch base with them, right? Two ways of building a list. I build an email list through opt-in pages, right? People can find any of my lead magnets, they opt in and they get on my email list and so on, right? But I also manually write people down, right? And I have a sales pipeline of who I'm talking to, I can follow up, right? Anyone on social media who I think that's gonna be interested, I put them manually down to my list, even if I don't have their email, because I can then follow up with them in the DM chats on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or in my Skool, right? I have a free Skool as well, right? Or you could have a Facebook group or so, right? So manually write people down so you know who you can then later talk to, right? Because relying on the idea of talking to people, I make so many sales via DMs or via email response or whatever. I book a call, I go on a call and I make a sale, right? That's how I grew to my first 30 members, by just talking to people, right? That's how I convert people, right? The other option of how to convert people is that, you capture them, right? For example, from content, from social media, from YouTube, from Instagram Reels, people will opt in to your landing pages if you did the content in the right way, right? And when they land on my email list, I have an automated email sequence in place that is gonna be sent to that person, to that contact, right? I wrote 15 emails that are gonna be sent to that person in a period of, 2 months or so, right? And those emails will get people to book calls with me. I say, for example, in my third email or so, hey, I'm looking for a person who I'm gonna completely transform your life, right? That's what I say, like, I'm gonna help you build a membership program so you can have recurring income. You can start being paid a full-time recurring monthly income from your membership program. I'm looking for you to turn you into my best case study and really get you results. Click the link down below and apply and schedule a call with me so we can talk. And a lot of people then book calls with me through my application page, right? Call scheduling application page could be a lead magnet for you. From YouTube, I tell people, hey, you can apply, and I get them to schedule a call with me, and guess what? I get their email, they're on my email list now, and I can talk to them, right? You could have all sorts of other lead magnets, right? Like a video masterclass, you can run a webinar to which people register, like a workshop class, and a few other things you could give people a way to get them captured, right? But via my auto email sequence, I also tell them, hey, you can click here and join my $97 per month membership. And if you do this on your own, I will give you, for example, an extra 1 or 2 one-on-one coaching sessions, right? So we create your plan and so on. So I try to get people to just click the link and pay into my program without going on a call, right? And so on, right? But automated email sequence nurtures them, it uplifts them, they get my emails, right? And that's how I convert people. I go on calls with people and some of them come to my webinars and I close them on the webinars or after the webinar classes, and people click the link and join my program on their own. Right? So that's the number 2, capture and convert, right? Now, what do I convert them into? How do I accept them, serve them, and get them results then, right? For example, I don't do one-on-one coaching, high-ticket sales right now anymore. I rather have a membership offer, a membership program, so I can make recurring monthly income. And my members, it's more affordable for them and they can stay for much longer, so they really get results, right? And I run these in a group environment. I mean, in a community environment, course environment, that people can study my course on their own and they come to the group coaching calls, right? So it's very scalable and it's semi-passive to run. I don't need to work with one-on-one clients, right? That much. I still give them some one-on-one support here and there, right? But I do 2-3 weekly group coaching calls, takes me a few hours, and I can have a full-time recurring income from this model, right? A membership offer. I sign them into my membership $97 per month program. I host my program on the Skool app. Skool platform is an app that's the simplest ever, right? You can host your course, your community, your group coaching calls on the app, and it charges your members $97 per month payment. So whenever someone pays, they get immediate access to your welcome post, to your welcome email. They get an automated DM from you if you set it up that way. They can introduce themselves immediately. They can start going through your course first videos, and then they're gonna get access to the weekly group coaching call all automatically, right? So I am able to auto accept members right now. I can get a new person paying me right now, and I don't need to do it all one-on-one. It's all on the app. It's all there. They can start right now on their own, and then they're gonna come to the group coaching call with me, where I'm gonna answer their questions and coach them further, right? Because the goal here is, can I get someone a result in 2, 3 months, 6 months, or in a 1 year through my program, right? This is the key. Getting your members, your customers results, because only then they will feel happy, they will stay for longer, they will recommend you to others, and they will give you a testimonial. I ask my members who succeeded, hey, can we go on a 10-minute session right now, recorded via Zoom, and we talk about how you transformed your life, how you signed your members, first members, how you started making money, how everything changed for you, right? And I record those case study videos and put them on YouTube, put them on social media, right? So more people can discover those. People post wins in my Skool community and so on, right? And other people can now see that my program works, right? And here is now the key. If members are happy, can I get them to refer me more members, right? And the idea as well came fresh, new right now via Skool app. It's all possible that if someone referred me a new member and they signed for $97 a month with me, I give 40% commission to a person who referred another person. So I give 40%, $40 per month to a member of mine who referred a new person in. So this member who referred a new person in, they're like, whoa, I'm getting $40 per month for just an introduction, right? And they were like, can I introduce one more person to this guy's program so I can make maybe $120 per month, maybe $160 in its passive income for my members, our members. If you turn on affiliate system in your program, can start making part-time income, passive income money. Guess what? They will want now to support other members and those people who newly came in, and they will get now results, right? Goes back to the number 3. People getting results as part of your program. Creates now a community environment, everyone helping one another, right? And some people are happy because they are paid from you as well. And guess what? These people won't be able to kind of leave your program. They will need to keep paying you. Otherwise, they will lose those commissions that they are getting from people who they brought in. This is the key here. It's perfect model. Okay? Enable the affiliate stuff on the Skool app, right? Skool will handle the payouts, right? That's a cool thing, right? It's all possible on the Skool app, right? It's gonna send payments monthly. Oh, actually, it's gonna charge people monthly and give you the commissions, but you can pay out anytime you want. With a click of the button, you can send yourself some money that you earned, right? Through the affiliate stuff on Skool, right? Now, how to get your members refer you more members, right? There are 2 ways. Number 1, simply ask your members, customers for referrals, right? Tell your members, who else do you know? And by the way, if you write 2 or 3 people down and any of those joins, right, I'll give you $40 per month. That's what you tell them. And they will be like, okay, let me write 3 people down. And then you need to tell them what they need to say to those members, right? I teach all of this stuff in my course lessons materials, right? So I go then on a 3-way call with my member and the new person, and I connect with them and we sign that person into the program, right? That's how we get those people, new people signed up, right? And the last thing that I created for me is a leadership support group. I called it a Premium Life Leadership Support Group of those members who want to actively be coached by me even more so they get more results. But I meet with them once a week and I coach them and teach them how referring more members into my program, into our program actually works, right? So I created a weekly mastermind leadership support group of those who chose to actively keep referring more members into my program, right? And I coach these people even more and I help them more and I meet with them more often, right? So they can make money in 2 ways, through their membership program and through affiliate through me, and they can really be happy, right? And this is now a full cycle. Attract people anyway. You gotta be making sales this way anyway. Attracting people come to you, but then, right, capture, convert, of course, nurture everyone, accept and serve, get them results. But here is the key. Member referral marketing, right? People referring you, people to join into your program that's growing from inside out right now, right? And it solidifies your community. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I gotta go attend the live workshop webinar class that I'm running right now in a few minutes, but I really wanted to communicate this idea to you. Explore around, find down below this video more of my stuff, subscribe, take action, join my free school. I have a free course there of how you can start creating your own membership program completely for free. And a free school of mine allows us to interact and help one another. If you have any questions, comment them down below, come to my free school, and I'm gonna totally help you, okay? See ya, have fun.